In this video, I will show you how to sell clothes in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Roblox.com. So what you can do is create clothes, sell those, and actually make Robux from selling clothes on Roblox. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do once you're on Roblox.com is come up to the top and click on to create. What that's going to do is take you to your Creator Hub. If this is your first time using the Creator Hub, you're going to be taken to a screen like this, and all you want to do is come up to the top and click onto dashboard. So what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this, and from here, if you come across this menu on the left hand side, you want to make sure you're clicked onto creations, and on the creations window, if you look at these different options, you want to click onto avatar items. Now what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here you want to come up to the top to these different options and click onto classics. Now this way you can come to actually upload and sell clothes. You might have already uploaded some clothes, but if you haven't, then what you basically want to do is come across to here and click the upload asset button. So what we can do in this example, I'm just going to quickly create a t-shirt. So we're going to select t-shirt as the asset type. Then we're going to click the upload button to add an image. So what I've done, I've just added my logo, and what you can do is give it a name and a description. I'm just going to leave this as is for now, but of course you can do that. And then come down and click the blue upload button at the bottom. So after a second or two, what it's going to do is upload this to the marketplace. Now initially it's going to come up like this because it just needs to be reviewed by moderators to make sure it does comply with Roblox community guidelines. But if it's all good to go, it's going to be accepted. Now once you've uploaded your asset, what you want to do is actually click onto the asset itself, so this t-shirt, and once you do that you'll be taken to the configure page. Now on here you're going to see a button that says on sale. What you want to do is turn this on, and then what you can do is set a price to sell this for. So for example, if I wanted to sell this for say 100 Robux, then I would put 100 into here. Now your earnings, your creator earnings are 70%. Roblox do take a small fee, and there is a publishing fee of 10 Robux as well. But basically after you've taken that into account, you're looking at an earnings, if it was 100 Robux, of making 60 Robux for every t-shirt you sell. Of course, you can set the price as high or as low as you want. That's completely up to you. But once you've done that, then make sure to come down and click the blue publish item button and make sure it does comply with their community standards and marketplace policy. Of course, you can read through these as well, as any violations may result in losing your payment or account access. So just go ahead, click the blue publish item. As you can see, it says putting this asset type on sale will cost 10 Robux. Are you sure you want to proceed? Just click the pay and publish, and that's going to put that on sale, and you'll be able to go ahead and sell your clothes on Roblox. So that is how to sell clothes in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.